Here are 3 things you need to do as a college student so you can have the best experience possible. What's up, y'all? My name is Jasper and this is Life Tech, and I just want to share these 3 tips with y'all because doing these things will help you have a successful career and experience while you're in college. And I know what they've done for me, and I want y'all to have a great experience at college. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Number 1, get involved. I say get involved because it's important to surround yourself by leaders and to strive to become a leader yourself. You can join organizations, join a club, and get a leadership position. And that'll really just help you start to get acclimated to the college life, but also push you a little bit out of your comfort zone to where you'll be able to start learning, growing as a person, and growing your leadership skills, and just maybe even teamwork skills, working with other people. It's a new experience. And being that you'll just be going to college, it's important to go ahead and put yourself out there. Another thing is when people see that you have leadership skills on your resume and you took advantage of that while you're in college, that'll be a bonus to you compared to other people who don't have the leadership skills on the resume. So getting involved, I highly recommend joining an organization, a club, or just doing a hobby, something you like to do, or finding a way to mentor or finding a way to give back to the community. So get involved early. Number 2, go to class. Now, I'm sure you've heard this before, but going to class is the most simple and easiest thing you can do. But people struggle to do it. We all struggle to do it, just to go to class. But I promise you, if you just go to class, you will most likely pass that class just from being in the classroom. And it's important to just be able to be seen by your peers, be seen by your professors, and just be in the classroom because you can still learn things. Some people will see this as not that important, or why are you saying this, or I already know this. But I want to emphasize how important this is. Keeping your grades up. Go to class. That's the first step to keeping your grades up, because at the end of the day, as a freshman, your grades, your GPA is really everything. You might be going to school on a scholarship or financial aid, and you can easily lose that by getting your GPA too low. For me, I started off good in all my classes, so now I have more leeway to not do so good in classes. Now, I always, I don't want to get below a C or anything like that, but I have the ability, and I'll be okay with my GPA if I do get a C or a B. And that's really the benefit of just staying on top of it your freshman, sophomore year. Number 3, find a community. Now, I put this last, but it's certainly not least. And it may sound like getting involved, but in this way, I mean more so finding a community, finding a group of friends, people who are truly close to you, who can hold you accountable, and you can hold them accountable, and y'all can walk through this college life together. This could be anywhere from a small group of people, or just one person, or maybe even a college ministry, just a group of people who can truly hold you accountable, because you start to become like the people that you hang around. And if you're hanging around people who are not focused on school, who are not there for the right reason, who are there for other things, then you'll start to take on their habits and take on their tactics and the things they do, and start hanging around the people they hang around, and you might get caught up in doing stuff that you never thought you'd end up doing. I've seen so many people have to leave college because of the choices they made as a freshman, and I just want to really try to encourage y'all and prevent y'all from going down that path, because it comes like this. You're doing good, next thing you know, you're having a good time in college, and that next thing you know, you got into something you did not expect. So just be very cautious about who you hang around, who you have to uplift you, hold you accountable, and find a good group of people who are there for college, who are there for good intent, and who want to uplift you, spread light, spread positivity and speak life into your life. I was able to find a great community of people who can hold me accountable, and we can walk through this college life together. And it started off with just one person. I met one person through an early arrival program, and we just started hanging out, and it grew into this bigger group. And I hang out with this college ministry, and we really all just, we're focused on being successful students and our relationship with God. And this is just a major key that has truly helped me be successful as a college student. And I just encourage you to surround yourself with good people. Now, if you're not a freshman, this video can still apply to you. These 3 tips are still very helpful. You can still get involved. You can still find a community, and you can still get your grades up. It don't matter if you're a junior, maybe you're a transfer student and you feel like you're starting a little late, or you went to community college. These things still apply to you. I just highly recommend taking these first years serious because they really create the path for your success, and it's however much work you put into it. So these were the 3 tips that I had. If you found these helpful, please like and subscribe. Help the channel grow. Welcome to Life Tech, and stay tuned. I hope y'all like this video, and I'm out.